Hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange on July 30th here. We are back on Monday. It's coming to the end of July and this market is definitely red. There is definitely some serious stuff breaking down in the tech sector. It started out with Facebook's earnings that were substantially lower. Monthly users actually declined. For some reason it really felt like the stock had peaked out at 211 or whatever, and it was just like the world jumped on board and decided to sell it. So then you had Intel, you had a number of the tech sector stocks that became under pressure. So today the volume was light. We have also had a light month on volume-wise. This is the dog days of summer. We had flight to safety on oil, buying oil, selling equities. The market was not off that much. It was actually flattish on the opening. They proceeded to sell it, and they're definitely selling tech across the board. So is this a foreboding of what could be coming up in the future? I don't really know. The Russell actually turned around too, reversed, people taking profits there. That index had been reaching all new highs and had reversed over the last couple of weeks. The S&P down 17 handles, Russell off 10, Dow down 150, transports off a little, mostly probably because of the oil trade. So, you know, it's curious to see whether we're coming in some profit taking off the end of July. It has been one of the best performing months we've had for a while, coming in since January. This market rallied back from the 24.1 level to 25.5. Look, all that being said, yes, it is a down day. Yes, there is a lot of red there. Yes, the volumes are light. But at the end of the day, we're still, with a down 150, we're still at 25.3. The S&P did not break. Maybe it did actually. Well, it touched it during the day, midday. You know, so what was resistance? 25,000 in the Dow, 2,800 in the S&P, then became the floor. We broke through that over the last couple of weeks. 2,800 in the S&P became support, as did 25,000 in the Dow, and that has yet to be broken. We definitely double touched the 2,800 level in the S&P and bounced back significantly. So we're trading off of some technicals in the S&P and the Dow. We're trading off of some negatives in the tech sector, definitely getting slammed in a big way. There has been no bounce in the Facebook trade. Not sure what to make of that. The fundamentals really haven't changed. You know, the stock has been on fire for the longest time. I don't know what's going to happen there. We have to really look at that and evaluate it. By the end of the month, could be big profit taking. So let's see what happens. Let's not read that much into it. The Dow and the S&P are still significantly up. The NASDAQ has been eviscerated over the last number of days. Let's see how that goes coming in at the end of the month and see what fresh money comes into August. It is summer. Let's be aware of that. People are focused on one thing or another. Today it was a sell side in the S&P, in the NASDAQ and the tech sector for sure, as it has been over the last week. Let's see what August brings. Tomorrow's the end of the month. We'll see. We'll cap it off, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. NYSE Einstein, inside Verstov from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. I'll see you tomorrow. Or see you tomorrow.